Strategy is often confused with prediction. This confusion is costly. Prediction asks what will happen. Strategy asks how we remain positioned no matter what happens. This course is not about winning forecasts. It is about constructing portfolios that can survive being wrong. Chapter 1. A portfolio is a structure of beliefs. A portfolio is not a collection of assets. It is a collection of beliefs expressed through allocation. Every position implies a view. Every weight implies conviction. Every exclusion implies doubt. Even neutrality is a belief. When these beliefs are unexamined, portfolios become accidental. Strategy begins when beliefs are made explicit and arranged deliberately. Chapter 2. The illusion of diversification. Diversification is often misunderstood. Owning many assets does not guarantee diversification. True diversification is not numerical, it is structural. If assets respond to the same conditions, they fail together. Diversification requires exposure to different drivers, different risks, and different failure modes. Without this distinction, diversification is cosmetic. Chapter 3. Strategy versus tactics. Tactics respond to conditions. Strategy defines posture. Tactics are short-lived. Strategy persists. A tactical decision can be revised quickly. A strategic decision changes the system itself. Confusing the two creates instability. FinAI separates them. Strategy sets boundaries. Tactics operate within them. This separation prevents overreaction. Chapter 4. Thinking in time horizons. Time is not uniform. Short-term volatility and long-term outcomes do not belong to the same decision space. Strategies fail when time horizons are mixed. A long-term position cannot be judged by short-term movement. A short-term tactic cannot be justified by long-term narratives. Chapter 5. Scenario-based portfolios. Prediction assumes one future. Strategy prepares for many. Scenario-based thinking does not ask which future is likely. It asks which futures are survivable. A portfolio aligned to a single scenario is fragile. A portfolio tested across multiple scenarios is resilient. Strategy is not certainty, it is preparedness. Chapter 6. Rebalancing as repeated judgment. Rebalancing is not maintenance, it is judgment, repeated. Markets drift, beliefs decay, allocations lose alignment. Rebalancing restores structure. It forces recognition of change without requiring new predictions. Through rebalancing, strategy remains intentional. Without it, strategy becomes the FinAI portfolio mindset. FinAI does not optimize for return alone, it optimizes for coherence. A coherent portfolio can explain itself. It can explain why it holds, why it waits, and why it adjusts. When losses occur, coherence preserves discipline. When gains occur, coherence prevents excess. Strategy is not aggression, it is alignment over time. Closing portfolios fail not because they were wrong, but because they were inconsistent. Strategy is the discipline that prevents contradiction. This course does not promise performance. It offers structure. In the next course, we leave theory. We enter systems, where strategy must operate under real constraints, real users, and real responsibility.